Page 236. This is the one at the bottom of the page. Humoresque, very famous melody. A lot of dotted rhythms all over. So let's take a look at this and see what we're doing. Two flats, so it's either in the key of B flat major or G minor. If you look at the end, it ends on a B flat and a B flat chord. Figure it's in B flat major. Okay, fine. And then the melody. Now they've got you crossing over here. Here. There's different fingerings for this, but I want to finger in a way I can connect everything. I can look up for the phrasing later, but I want to connect it. And the fingering in the book works. There. I tend to do a 2-3 and then a 1 rather than a 2-1. Although that's good practice. You need the practice of doing that because you want to be able to do that without turning the hand all over everywhere. Just make sure the dotted rhythms are crisp. Don't turn them into triplets. Ba-dee-da-dee-da. It rocks along. That's a triplet rhythm. No, the short notes got to be short. If you're struggling making them short, then think of them more like grace notes, just real quick. But technically, it's a 1E and a 2E and a 1E and a. Four. That's sort of the melody. I mean, it says allegretto, so you could have a little fun with it, but the dotted rhythms are going to slow it down. You don't need to play it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's actually more of a moderato feel. Now, that allegretto would be a little quicker, but it's not necessarily the speed of the beat we're talking about. It's the feel of the piece. And when you have a lot of notes in it, it slows it down. It should feel quick or happy, sort of quick, in between moderato and okay. Let's do the harmony. First, the chords. A B flat chord is a 1 chord in the key of B flat. And we're going to be down here, I guess. And then an E flat with a B flat on the bottom. Well, there's the E flat chord. If I put the B flat on the bottom, it's here. It's a 4 chord. Okay. And then at the end of the line, we have an F7 with an A on the bottom. Well, the F chord is here. The 7th would be that. Remember, we have E flats in this key. We stay within the key. And we're going to put the A on the bottom. So the F, I guess, that's on top. And we're not using that, so we're back to that. These are the same patterns we've been using. Different ways of notating the same thing. And that's it. So then we put it together. First I just do block chords here. 2, 3, 4. The idea. Then once I do that, then I can add in their rhythm they want. It's just quarter notes. 2, 3, 4. Try out rhythms. You can do broken chord. Have some fun with it. It gets creative here about. It gets a bit challenging when you start getting a lot of notes and all that, but it's good practice. It really is. You always do the bottom and top. In some pieces you might be accompanying or whatever, that pattern can happen. Experiment. Have fun with it. Enjoy. Life is wonderful and all that junk. Okay.